Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to give you 5 reasons you're not making money online with email marketing. So I'm going to explain why other people are struggling and the kind of mistakes they're making, so hopefully then in your campaigns going forward you'll have a lot more success. So just a quick introduction, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you've not been to the channel before, please hit the subscribe with the notification bell. We release new videos every week, and if you want to learn about my #1 strategy for making money online, which I use every single day, go check out the link in the description below. So when I think about email marketing, the #1 reason I'm seeing that people are struggling to make money online is, quite frankly, the lists that they've got are very poor. So you've got these lists from things like solo ads, or you bought or rented those lists, all these lists are old, all these lists are from bad affiliate products, and the people on them are not really interested in the product or service that you have. So when you have and you start building a list, although this may be slower in the short term, especially if you're a beginner, you've got to make sure that list is of very high quality and really is a buyer's list that are interested in the type of things that you're promoting. So it sounds very obvious, right? Very, very obvious. But the first thing I did when I first went online is I started buying lots of solo ads and getting hundreds and hundreds of people on a list, which I then tried to promote to, and quite frankly they weren't interested, right? So you got to make sure that when you're building these lists, although it's slower, that the people on there are really interested in the product or service that you're trying to promote. Second big thing is the type of copy or the type of emails that you actually send. So if you are in the, let's say you're in the make money online niche, right? If you're just sending emails out, constantly trying to sell stuff, and it's all about the next big push button software, and you're trying to get people to get on board straight away and giving people time frames and all of this kind of stuff that people try and do, nowadays people pick up on that very quickly, especially as people in that particular niche could be on many marketers' email lists. So #1, they could actually see the same email coming from several people, because one of the things that vendors do obviously is they provide affiliate emails to people so that you have the copy ready made to send out, right? So that's a big no-no, right? Don't do that. Write your own copy. If you're ever going to be an affiliate for someone, take theirs as a skeleton and then write your own copy so that it looks different from other people. That's #1. But #2 then, try and be less hypey. Try and write it more naturally than all these other emails, because all they're trying to do is sell, right? These product vendors, they don't care about your actual customers. They're just trying to get your affiliates to promote the product and then them sell lots of that product, right? So if you want an individual relationship with your folks, you need to make sure you're tailoring those emails and making them a lot less spammy. So one thing I will do is stick a link in the description below, and that will be to a list of 455 spam words. So one thing I will do is leave a link in the description below to a list of 455 spam words. These are the types of words that will end up getting your emails put straight into a junk folder rather than read by people. So it's a really useful resource. You can compare your existing emails to that and then kind of figure out whether that's one of the reasons why maybe you're not getting the open rates that you deserve. So #3, and this is a big one, you're not building any kind of relationship with your list. So again, if you're not actually asking for feedback from emails for them, or every email is just a sales email, then very quickly your list is going to be put off by your emails, and even if they do start getting into their inboxes, they'll stop reading them. So you've got to try and build that relationship with people and write very naturally and ask for their feedback on certain topics. So if they're in a certain niche and you're interested in that niche as well, and you want to promote products to that niche in the future, you've got to start building a relationship and having some kind of shared interest in that topic. And then over time, if you do promote a product to them, then they may well trust you and go ahead and purchase that product. But if the first thing you do is email them and say, hey, go and buy this product, then of course nobody would do that. If you walked down into a street and you walked up to somebody and said, can you buy this? They wouldn't do it, would they? So emails are no different. So you need to figure out a way to build a relationship with people, gain that trust, and then you can promote in the future some high quality products that they'll like to buy. So #4, and this is related to #3 I guess, is they're promoting crap. So in the make money online niche especially, lots of newer affiliates just jump on anything that's on Munchai, the newest release, and they'll immediately try and promote that to people. They may end up getting a few sales, they may end up getting people on their list, but once those people have actually opened that product and realised how crap it is, you're the person they're going to end up blaming, right? As well as the vendor, obviously, but they'll remember they bought it off you. So why would they then go and buy another product off you once you've already promoted some other crap? So you've got to stop this cycle of promoting things that are not good value. If you wouldn't use it and you don't use it, don't promote it. Simple rule. Because you want these people to trust you, and once they do, then once you give them something valuable to purchase, then you've got more chance of making sales and then becoming a repeat customer. So number 5, there could be lots of technical reasons people aren't actually opening your emails. So if you check out the link in the description below, I do have a list of technical reasons that you can go through and kind of figure out if you're making any of those mistakes and making sure everything's optimized. But overall, you need to be following the applicable laws to whatever country that you're actually sending emails to. You need to understand your email list. So understand how many people on that email list actually open emails, and maybe start cleaning out the people that are not interested. And then make sure the whole service is set up correctly. So if you have autoresponders, if you have newspaper type lists that you're setting up, you need to make sure that all of them are set up correctly so that delivering messages at the right cadence. And then again, that's not making anybody think that you're just spamming them and sending emails too regularly. So lots of technical things. Go check out that link and then kind of work through them to make sure that your systems are really optimized and your emails are being opened when they should be. So thanks for watching. My name is Richard. This is the School of Nomads. Please leave a like and a comment below if you found this video useful. And if you want to learn the strategy that I use every day to make money online, please check it out in the link to theschoolofnomads.com below.